Rania on the ground for us. If you are just joining us, our breaking news story is that musician Kelly Khumalo has passed away at the age of 51. We will speak to her colleagues in a short while.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. Guys, please forgive me if I post like old news because I have been off for quite some time now, but please do make sure that you do engage in almost all of the videos, as it will help with the algorithm being picked up. So ENCA, the most popular news publication or station rather, has reported that Sangoma and singer Kelly Khumalo has passed away, you guys, and it turned out to be a huge mistake, as it was supposed to be reported that a singer Winnie Khumalo, which I did a story on, was the one who sadly passed away, you guys, following an illness. You guys, now ENCA later posted an apology for the fault, whereby we saw Shahan Ramkinson, who was the one who initially reported this whole mess, apologizing to, of course, the singer and also Winnie Khumalo's family for the disrespect, because that is what it is. Now Kelly Khumalo has responded on a social media, basically dragging the publication to filth for their mishaps and disrespecting her, you guys. So she posted this, tagging ENCA on her Instagram post, which reads as follows: at ENCA News, you may hate me or even think very less of me. However, this is very reckless, ignorant, and disrespectful, not only to me, but those who love and care about me, especially my kids. Please put some respect on my name. And of course, Shahan posted this video apologizing to Kelly Khumalo, which I'm about to insert. But before I do that, do make sure that you do engage with me in the comment section. Make sure that you share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. And may God just continue blessing you all. Bye.
A correction on what I said earlier. It is Winnie Khumalo who passed away at the age of 51, not Kelly Khumalo. I apologize for that error.